You need traffic. Well, I'm sorry, that's really a stupid question. Of course you need traffic. If you're an online seller, you need traffic. It's just as simple as that. Well, there are a few different ways to go about getting traffic, of course. You could do all kind of crazy voodoo to get traffic. Uh, or you could just go ahead and tell somebody who already gets traffic, hey, send some my way. Now, if you want the former, well, good luck with that. But if you want the latter, then I think you're going to love what I tell you about in my review of Solos and Traffic 25. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Solos and Traffic 25 from my friend Dawud. Now, what Dawud specializes in is just giving you traffic. That's every launch he does pretty much the same thing. He has a list of tens of thousands of buyer leads who have purchased from him before. And what he does is he will send your stuff to his buyer leads. So you can go ahead and put together a free offer to get his buyer leads onto your list. And then you use them to go ahead and start selling to them. Now, are you going to get tens of thousands of leads out of this? Probably not. I mean, he has about 30 something thousand leads that he's going to send to for you. So you're going to hit quite a few people, but the reality is, of course, if they're seeing other things also, they're not necessarily going to sign up for you. The good news is, though, that if you stick with me, then I'm going to make sure that you have the tools to be able to beat out everybody else who's buying this thing from somebody else. But it doesn't give you all the bonuses that I'm giving you. That's right. I am going to make sure that you are going to succeed where others fail because you are going to be a successful entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Uh, Okay, thank you for that. That's very kind of you, but stop interrupting my videos, please. Okay, seriously. Okay, no, seriously. So check this out. As you know, my name is Eric. I am the man in the hat. And well, man in the hat reviews basically mean mega, mega bonuses. Thank you for your demonstration there. That was very kind of you, the man in the hat. But right now we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. So go and forge a painting or something. Okay, but seriously. Okay, check this out. Look at the bonuses I'm giving you. First of all, a website that allows you to do everything with social media. So this is a really, really cool website. It allows you to create, to basically use social media and schedule once, do it forever, and it's even got a free forever option. How about another one that I found that gives you dozens of free to use Excel templates that you can turn into software as a service apps with a few clicks. I'm going to show you how to do both of those things, where to get them, and also how to turn them into software as a service apps. So very, very cool stuff. But we're not done yet. How about your own GPT-4 powered software as a service app? Basically, you're going to create in 60 seconds your own apps that are powered by GPT-4. We're not done yet. How about another new website that I found that will take any Excel spreadsheet and turn it into a software as a service product? So it kind of relates to that first thing that I showed you. How about two more services that will allow you to create videos from simple prompts, just like ChatGPT? And I'm not talking about, by the way, ChatGPT's own service. I'm talking about other places. How about adding green screen to your videos completely for free with stuff you've already got at home? This is actually probably one of the most powerful things I can give you, because what it's basically going to do for you is it's going to show you how to take, well, basically whatever crap you have lying around the house and turn it into a green screen where you can simply replace the background behind you. I don't do that anymore because of the fact that I do have uh, a pretty nice background behind me, but I used to do it all the time.
What a load of crappy crap.
No, this is not crap. Thank you very much. And why don't you go stick to your own stuff? Boy, Mark, it's annoying. Anyway, but seriously, how about my guide to using DaVinci Resolve? This is still one of the most powerful videos there are. Yes, there are easier editors to use. I love DaVinci Resolve because it's so powerful and does so much more and completely for free. All right, how about how to use copyright clips like the one I just did with Bart? Okay, that's very, very cool stuff. How do I use them? Why is it legal to use them? how to get them. Or how about a place to sell services like the new software they're going to create with the software as a service? Or how about done for your squeeze page, where you can have a page running for your minutes? And of course, just to top it all off, you know what? How about if you send traffic to these people, where you can give away my very own product, Durable, as your bonus to people, and then you can also keep the commissions the first and second upgrade. Or if you already have that, I'll let you have the income formula with the same deal. All that is included as my bonus when you pick up solo traffic and solo send traffic 25 from me today. But let me go ahead and show you the members area real quick here. You see just how easy it is. And it has training sections. It's not really training. It's basically just sending your solo ads, sending your URLs, and you're done. That's it. There's nothing else to it. There's no big deal to do this. And basically, he puts you onto a rotator and he starts sending traffic directly to you automatically. Very, very simple stuff. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you're the man. This is really awesome and it's super simple to do. All you do is go ahead and tell them where to send the traffic. That's pretty much it. So yeah, tip of my hat. The guy behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he'd be tipping his hat also. The other guy behind me, well, he's tooting his horn because he's really excited about this. And I think you should be excited about this. Grab this, you're going to love it.